Hi. Hi. Hello everyone. Good morning, good night, or good afternoon, or good evening pala. Good night. My name is Aaron. It's nice to meet all of you. And today is January 20, 2025. Meaning it is currently my birthday. So it's also a lot of other people's birthday as well. So pag may nanonood ngayon na ang birthday ay January 20, happy birthday po. From me to you, of course. So, this is just a short birthday vlog. Parang kasing short lang siguro ng Christmas vlog ko. If ganun din siya kaikli. Pero if not, then if you guys are curious, I hope that you watch until the end of the vlog. And if you guys like the vlog, I hope you guys will comment, like, or will subscribe if you feel like it, or if you want to. So, yeah. A short birthday vlog.
Birthday na ni Rome. You wanna guess my favorite Disney princess? Ariel.
Wow. Oh,
so white. So white. One more. I guess I'm
corny.
One more.
So corny, what the heck?
My favorite ano ba tawag doon? Mystical creature.
Masaya ka sa ginagawa.
One more. Melon Musk.
Or Sigma.
One more. Venom.
Ang dami mong name.
One more. Riz.
Wait.
I do this when someone's offline. Spam.
Ang hindi mo nakakabis. Narap Ash baby. Wow.
Egg Sheeran. Dang, mommy. I just wanna. Who's that? Barbie. Wow. Waiting machine.
Hindi na makita.
Kita.
Wow.
Cherry.
Nasa akin din yung na yan.
Sad vibes. Early lunch.
Sige, isa pa. Ulitin mo.
Early lunch.
Maga kami.
Early lunch.
Maga
What time
kami.
is it? What time is it?
It's 10:55.
10:55. I'm
Lunch namin.
10:35.
10:35.
Just took us a few minutes para tapusin yun.
Wala mo.
I don't know.
Ganda na tutugan namin.
Whatever this is.
Ano yan? Hindi mo alam pero paborito mo.
Kahit anong gamit ng tomato sauce. Masarap.
May ulam is, against the light. May ulam is, okay bro. May ulam is, ano ba to? Ano to? Ano to? Kaya pala sabi ko, ang gaan.
Look at her. She doesn't have a utensil, then she's eating with her hand. Ang ganda ng birthday niya.
Birthday na birthday, minaras agad.
Yan yung birthday. Masarap. Nyam! Sarap, birds. Isa pa.
Masarap yung ulam. Yung may napagkaan hindi.
Nyam! With the bacteria. I'm just joking. So, hi guys. Ako na muna yung magbablog cause Ina's gone. I mean, Rome is gone. Her meal is very good, but she doesn't have a utensil, so she can't enjoy it. Her birthday is pretty good. That's why. Kita ka ba? How's your birthday? Ha?
Hindi kami
Wala.
handa. Lalabas kami.
Cookies! Yeah.
Nubos ko na.
Activity si Ma'am, hindi ako nakinig.
Hindi kami nakinig.
Sorry, Ma'am, kung pinapanood mo to, sorry na agad, Ma'am. Ma'am, sorry. Hindi kami nakinig. Traffic. Bye-bye.
Hi, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday din eh.
Thank you.
Kita kasi na greeted person eh.
Okay lang, di. Ah!
Ayla. May kita paan nyo. Okay.
Ayla.
Me, I'm awas-awas.
Ayla. Bye-bye.
On the way to SM.
My birthday, girl.
Ang sweet. Sa Imada, hindi siya cake. Huwag kayo ma-issue. Sweet niya ngayon. Ngayon lang, pagka uwi, dragon na ulit. Very good.
Let's go.
Ako, hindi niyo ako tatanungin.
Hindi. Marites ka pa ng marites eh. Kaya hindi naniniwala ka.
What if I'm tired na talaga? Here. Up and the way.
Di tatluan lang yan.
Ano ba? Saan ba?
Ano ko is? Ha?
Ano ba? Saan ba?
Hindi na.
Ito, tapos yung kari-kari gulay, plus ano gusto mo dyan sa pansit?
Where? No. Pwede po Di umubre yung 100. Akin na to. Bilis. Thank you po. Thank you po. We're done. Time to go home. And we're home. I gave a cake to tita. Naka-birthday ka rin. So, ayun. Pagod na ako. Yay! Yes, hi. Okay, if you're still here, I want to thank you for watching the vlog and for celebrating my birthday with me. I'm sorry that it's dark. It's the middle of the night. I'm sorry, but thank you still for watching my vlog. If you made it all the way here, I'm really sorry again that it's dark. Thank you for celebrating my birthday with me. I hope that you guys will also have a wonderful day, and if you guys like the vlog, then it's up to you guys. If you guys want to like, comment, or subscribe or anything, it's up to you guys. But indeed, thank you for watching the vlog and for celebrating my birthday with me. Bye. Thank you again. My name is Adam. Okay, bye.